Hey Devesh, can we remove this made with gamma logo at the bottom right? The short answer to this is absolutely yes, and in less than a couple of minutes. To learn this, let's get started. So now we are on the Gamma AI website. I just asked Gamma AI to make a presentation for me on the basics of Indian stock market. This is what the output of the Gamma AI. It made a beautiful presentation. Now there are hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to use this website. So I won't waste your time in explaining how to use this. Our today's topic is to remove the logo that comes after exporting this presentation to a PowerPoint presentation. So what we'll do is we'll export this. To export, we'll just click on these three dots, click on export, and we'll export this to PowerPoint. Once you click here, it is getting prepared for exporting. Once it is done, it will automatically download on your system. Okay, so as you can see, your PowerPoint presentation is ready. It is getting downloaded, and now it is being downloaded. Okay, so this is what we have after exporting the presentation to PowerPoint from Gamma. Okay, now the issue is at the bottom right, we have this made with Gamma logo everywhere, right? On each and every slide, we have this made with Gamma logo. Now, many would like to remove this, right? So how to remove this? See, here you cannot click on it. Okay, if I'm clicking on it, nothing is getting happen because definitely you cannot click and just delete it. It won't, it's not that simple, but believe me, it's actually very easy. Okay, you can definitely edit your presentation and do everything on the PowerPoint as you would like. But now the topic for today is to just learn how to remove this. Okay, so for removing this, what you have to do is just click here on the view tab. Okay, we are on this view tab. I'll just click here and we have an option of slide master. Okay, I'll just click on slide master. You will have something like this on your screen. So you select this slide where you see this made with Gamma logo. Okay, it has to be the uppermost slide where you can see made with Gamma logo. Okay, now what you can do is you have to just select this. Okay, you just select this logo and press delete on your keyboard and just click on close master view. Now you can see there is no made with Gamma logo on the entire presentation. You can edit it as you like. Then after editing, you can save and use it for your presentations. So I hope this video would be helpful. If you find it helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. I also make many videos on stock markets, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I'm also planning to make various videos on use of AI for stock markets. So follow this and subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, share with someone who may need it. Okay, so thank you so much.